I'll be showing you the top location inventory apps for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, I'll be going over their features, the UI, their pricing, and their reviews so you can understand which app is going to be a best fit for your own Shopify store. If you enjoy any of this content along the way, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. And with that, let's dive right into it. The first app we'll be taking a look at is Multi-Location Inventory Info, developed by CALC Ltd, and allows you to show location stock information on product pages, as well as auto-tag products by location availability. It's a must-have app for merchants utilizing Shopify multiple locations or the local pickup features. So in terms of how it's going to look, if you look at the product page here, you can see the multiple locations available, and the customer can then choose the one that they want to click and collect from. So you're going to get customization on how you want it to display in terms of stock counters as well. You can also have a filter option on your store so the customer can filter by location. If you're on a Shopify Plus plan as well, it allows merchants to block checkouts for out-of-stock countries, and you can display product inventory only for the location associated with a customer. So in terms of pricing, there are multiple pricing plans with a 14-day free trial. It's going to start at $5.99 a month all the way up to $19.99 a month, and there is some differentiation between if you're a Shopify Plus merchant for these two plans here. So if you're not a Plus merchant, they're your display plan and your Pro plan, or in the Pro plan you also get rules for assigning an order to a Shopify location for fulfillment. In terms of reviews, it has an excellent 4.9 stars with 41 5-star reviews. I want to take a second to mention our sponsor ProfitCalc, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It allows you to skip your spreadsheets and get real-time calculations. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get detailed profit metrics on how your store is actually performing. This is going to let you make better business decisions as well as give you tremendous insight with tons of detailed analytics and reports. It's also going to sync seamlessly with your different ad platforms such as Facebook, Google, Pinterest, Snapchat, TikTok, and Bing, as well as your cost of goods sold and transaction fees, plus many more other expenses. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing. You can also search ProfitCalc in the Shopify App Store and look for this logo in the top left here, both of which get you access to a 15-day free trial where you can test drive everything for yourself. Let's take a look at our next location inventory app. This one's product inventory information. We can display multi-location inventory to your customers, link locations to countries, and pickup in store. As we can see from the UI, you can set which locations are available for pickup. You can set which quantities are going to show low stock, high stock, or out of stock. You can also exclude specific countries if it is not available. So there's those store pickup and geolocation features, and it's going to allow you to display the inventory on the product page. As we can see here, you can see inventory in Birmingham, London, and the warehouse in the Netherlands for this test product here. In terms of pricing, this one's going to start at $9.99 a month. And if you're on a Shopify Plus plan, it's going to be $29.99 a month. And there is a free 14-day trial for both of those plans. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a good 4.3 stars with 68 5-star reviews. So let's take a look at our last app here. This one's called StoFind Inventory Information. So it's going to easily display your inventory to your customers on product pages. So you'll be able to display the inventory information of any product per location on product pages and set your business hours so customers know when you are open. So we can see the display here, and it says stock availability with the different stores and how much is in stock for each. It also lets your customers find a store so they can find the one closest to them. You can set details for each specific store as well in terms of their business hours. So in terms of pricing, there is a completely free plan, but it is going to be only for development stores. And then the pricing is going to depend on how many store locations you want to have listed. For 4, it's $9, and it goes all the way up to 20 at $29 a month. And there is a free 7-day trial on the paid plans here. So in terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 7 5-star reviews. So this is going to conclude the video here on location inventory apps for your Shopify store. We looked at 3 different apps here. Let me know in the comments what you think of these apps and if you're going to add them to your store or if any were missing. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment as well. Lastly, I want to mention ProfitCalc one more time, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing, which gets you access to a 15-day free trial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.